Okay guys, we're gonna do a full unboxing of the Lume broadcast lighting kit. I'm really excited to check this out. Whoa, look at that. Whoa, a lot of stuff came out of there. Okay, so it says here that it comes with a 12, I'm assuming that's inch LED panel light, adjustable desk stand, computer mount for laptops. You got to charge it with a USB-A to USB-C, and it even comes with a silicone white softening diffuser. Wow, this is really cool. So let's see, this is the stand. Okay. Oh, it's really nicely made. Really a fan of Lume. I think they do a great job. I've used their products before in the past, and here it is. Look at that. So there it is. You've got the, wow, this is pretty cool. And it comes with a ball head. Wow, awesome, really nicely made. This basically goes right here. So you want to screw that in. And once you screw that in, there you have your ability to use the light. This is your mount for your laptop or computer desk. Pretty awesome there. You can mount this somewhere. Awesome. Love this. So awesome, and that's how you basically take it off. So we'll leave that on there for now. Charge it with these two things. Charge it automatically, but look at how convenient, how packed. I just really wanted to do a quick review. I might do another one, but if we can kind of take this off, and oh, that's really cool. And you can see how cool that really is. Okay, this has to come off, it looks like, first. So do we have to take that off? Yep, okay, it comes off. And I mean, this is just a great product, guys. So then you screw that basically back on, okay? And look at that. Now you can light your content, light up your Zoom meetings. If you want to do your Zoom meetings, you can basically just mount this like that. Conferences, anything at all, live streams, highly recommend. This is a great product. The Lume broadcast lighting kit, I would highly recommend. Great product.